Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. In this short little video, I was going to show you how to make I guess it's a chainless foundation double crochets. So this could be useful for like blankets, or actually my plan is to make a hat, which it will be in a future video. But this video is to show you how to make the foundation double crochet. So we are going to start off by chaining. We're going to chain 3 to start with. All right, I'm going to bring you a little closer. There we are. So probably we're just going to do 1 double crochet in that first chain we just did. Alright, so now we are looking at our double crochet here. We're looking at, okay, so that's the top of our double crochet, but we're looking at the bottom. And we got to pick up a couple loops. So we are going to pick up these 2 loops right here. Yeah, we're going to pick up these 2 right here. Oh, but first we were going to try to do a normal double crochet. That's another yarn over. And then we pick up these 2 loops right here. And then we just do a double crochet like we normally would do a double crochet, as we're drawing up a loop. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, and then draw over and put in the final 2 loops. So again, there's our finished double crochet. We're going to go down and look at these 2 loops right here. Oh, first, I keep forgetting, you got to yarn over first because we're doing double crochets. And then put our hook in those 2 loops right there, and we're doing a double crochet like normal. See, now if you can see, these are the 2 at the top of the double crochet. We're working in those 2 loops right there. Yarn over, put our hook into those 2 loops there, and double crochet as normal. Now we can start seeing what are going on. This is the bottom of your project. As you see, we're going to have a nice loopy, nice edge there. So yeah, if you look, this is if we were going to turn. Does that work? But yeah, that is. See, we have a nice edge on the bottom, and it's stressed, a little more stretchier, more give compared to if we were just doing chains. So we'll do a couple more just to show you. So yeah, if we look, see if I can get closer. There's our double crochet, and we want these 2 loops on the bottom. So we yarn over. Put our hook in those 2 loops. And finish up our double crochet like we normally would. There, double crochet. Yarn over, and we want to put again our hook at the bottom here, these 2 loops at the bottom. Finish our double crochet. There, see, this is the bottom of our work. So yeah, if we were to start continuing, if we were going like back and forth. So yeah, you see that it's a little stretchy, a little more give. Yeah, and and this probably used for some projects. I mean, if you don't, I know sometimes when you make it just a chain, there's not it seems like that end doesn't have much give. This is good for projects that might need that little more give, like maybe a hat, or if you're, or it could be socks, could be blanket, and it does make a nice little bottom edge that if you want to do borders, you got something to work into. So I'm going to do a few more of these just so you can see again. So we're going to yarn over, and those two, we're going to find our 2 loops, like right here, right there. Finish our double crochet like normal. Yeah, working, if you can tell, there's our double crochet. We're working, gonna work in those 2 loops again. Yarn over, put a hook in that loop. That loop, and finish our double crochet as normal. So yeah, the important thing is that you gotta find, to give this edge here, you need to find 2 loops. So you need to, your bottom, like there's one bottom on that double crochet, then you find another one. Those 2 will give it your bottom edge. Hopefully this was a decent color that you can see that with. See, let's see. There's our finished double crochet. There, yarn over. Those 2 loops, yarn over. Those 2 loops on the bottom. Oop. And we just finished that. This is our finished double crochet, and then we're working those 2 loops right there. Yarn over. And those 2 loops. Okay, so that is it. Our foundationless. See, that's our bottom edge. There we go. Our foundation. A chainless double crochet foundation. Yeah, okay. So make sure you subscribe, because I am going to continue on and make this project into a hat. So make sure you subscribe for that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please get a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.